College when you Jim tip nam tai Khubor Laitkam, take it on art the post Kiba but hapoh is khasi. Application duly filled in standard form, happen up number standard form, along with complete biodata are hereby invited from the candidate who are citizen of India for filling up the post below in the office of the undersigned on contract basis, kadai contract basis, for a period of 1 year, then gets a renew which may be likely to extend from time to time subject to the satisfactory performance and the continuation of the scheme. Katang juga post kadai office assistant under PM Poshan scheme. Number of posts kadan artali qualification they belong class 12 pass and above with diploma in computer application. Pidibin pass class 12 sheneng lamde class 12 lamde BA lamde BSc lamde masteru tangba deben debru badeka diploma in computer application. Desirable profile qualification minimum 1 year experience in the field of online and offline entry. Excellent working knowledge of MS Office and Management Information System. Katulop kadai khar hajar shibnai fix weight kene khar hajar. Kibala apna apply gibir long khat pra life arts name as on 1st January 2024. The plus sans name ka relaxation kan long khat pra do life hunyos name. Applicant who do not possess the above criteria need not apply. Kibam don ikite criteria what nam apply. Interested candidate are to submit application in standard form. Konma happen submit halang baga standard form along with photocopies duly attested of all relevant documents, certificate on or before ka last date kandai arp santarik jong July arjar sau to the office of the sub-divisional school education officer SDSEO Shillong Nong Rimau Laim Khra konma phiaban late submit hakanek office SDSEO Shillong Nong Rimau Laim Khra Shillong DRT campus. Applicants are requested to mention their phone number, WhatsApp number in the application form. Kan mau bana mention hapoh application you WhatsApp number beri phone number dan kaman phone mapen tip. Te tang kita jeng tip kita ki bako aban apply selai ka bulan kam ka last date kan dai absent jung Julai te kanang yo porba phiaban lai submit hi hapoh office SDSO po laim khra nong remau te ki bako aban apply selai ka bulan kam. Te tang ini jeng tip khule jubun.